Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for Missing Person Finder and Orphan Finder MERN web application. First open the MongoDB. Click the connect. On left side you can see the backend database tables. Click the user. Here you can see the user details. And then open the Visual Studio Code. Explore the SRC folder. Here you can see the three folders: backend, client and database. Click the backend. Here you can see the models and routers. Click the client. Click SRC and then click components. Here you can see the ReactJS files. And then click the readme text. Here you can see the step-by-step procedure for open the MERN web application. And then you can see the login details. Now you can open the terminal. First run the backend. Copy the CD backend and paste to the terminal. Now you can install the node models. Copy the npm install and paste to the terminal. I have been already installed, so I move to the next step. Copy npm start and paste to the terminal. Now the backend database connection is ready. Now you can start the client. Copy the CD client and paste to the terminal. And then install the node models. Copy npm install and paste to the terminal. And then copy npm run dev and paste to the terminal. Now the client is connected. Copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Here we have three roles: user, admin and orphan. Let's start the user. Click the register now. Here you can enter all the fields for user registration. Enter the username, mail ID and password. Password must be in 8 digit. It must contain one capital letter, one special character and numbers. And then enter the 10-digit mobile number. Enter the city and then enter all the fields. Once you do that, click the sign up button. It will be registered. And then enter the user email ID and password. Login successful. Here you can see the several models. Click the post missing person. Here you can post the missing person. Click the choose file. Here you can select the picture and then upload the picture. And then enter the name, age, gender, identification, height, weight, parent, place, and then enter the date of the missing person, and then enter the address. Once you do that, click the submit button. It will be posted. Click view missing person. Whatever you has been posted you can see here. If you want to edit the image, you can do it here. Click the edit image and then choose the file. And then click the save, it will be updated. If you want to edit any information, click the edit button. Here you can do. If you want to delete, you can do it here. And then click the geo map. The location updated successfully. And then click the show map. You can see the updated location. And then click search all missing person. Here you can see the all missing person. Click request. Here you can post your request. Click the submit button. Request successfully. Here you can see the posted request. Click the show map. You can see the location. And then click the other request. Here you can see the other user request also here. Click the update status. Here you can update the status. Click the submit button. The status updated successfully. Click view feedback. Here you can see the feedback. In my profile you can see the profile details. If you want to edit anything you can do it here. Here you can see the my request and other request. The my request have the your request only. And then other request have other user request. For example, this request you can see the other user. Now I enter the another user. Here you can see the other user request. Next move to the Orphan. Click the register. Here you can enter all the fields for Orphan registration. And then enter the email ID and password. Login successful. Here you can see the two models, create Orphan and update Orphan. Click the Create Orphan. Enter the name, service, description, and then locality, and then address, mobile number. Click the Submit button. The orphan will be created. And then click the Update orphan. Whatever you has been created, you can see here. If you want to edit anything, you can do it here. Click the Geo map. The location updated successfully. Click the Show map. Here you can see the updated location. Next, move to the admin. Enter the admin email ID and password. Login successful. Admin can manage the missing person approval, view orphan approval, and then user details. Click the View Missing Person Approval. Here you can see the All Missing Person. Admin can update the status. Here you can see the location. Click the Show Map. You can able to see the location. And then click View Orphan Approval. Here you can see the orphan details. Admin can update the status. And then click the user details. Here you can see the user details. So this is a missing person finder and orphan finder one publication.
Code shopping.